I quit the gym, no counting calories, I canceled my Netflix, and I started Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm super excited because we are going to learn a little bit more about how we can lose weight without exercise or without any crazy diet or anything too complicated. I'm super excited. We are doing an unboxing video for the first time here on my channel because I just received my mindset materials. For those of you that don't know, if you didn't catch my last video about how to lose weight without exercise, for my 27th birthday, I grouped together a bunch of individuals and we are going on a mission for the next couple of weeks, really to learn the systems and rebuild that relationship that we have with food, learn the science behind nutrition, and basically learn how to live a healthier lifestyle without being required to give up anything that we love. No crazy diets, no counting calories. We do not even have to be required to exercise. So I am super excited. For those of you that have been following my 100-pound weight loss journey and how I quit all my jobs and just came here to social media to kind of, I don't know, change my life, I guess. And who would have known that I'm here now, 100 pounds lighter and filming content for you guys and just trying to help more individuals through my personal journey. But anyways, for those of you that have been following my journey here on YouTube or through Facebook or Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, any other social media platforms, you guys know that I set out on a mission right after my 24th birthday in March. I set out on a mission to really figure out what I was going to do with my life, and I was depressed, overweight. I was just in a very, very unhealthy place at that time. I just celebrated my 3-year anniversary to when I committed to start this healthy mission and really just kind of figure shit out. I was mindlessly hanging out in the gym, just trying to do cardio and stuff like that, and I was feeling super uncomfortable. I just didn't know what to do, and I found some people here on social media and I decided to ask for more details. And fast forward to 3 years now, here in the comfort of my own living room, whereas actually I am filming this currently right now, and I could not be more excited to open up these systems now that it's kind of like, I joke, it's like my month 36 with our this internet world, right, that people always joke about not being a real thing. But I clearly have been able to quit my jobs and follow my passions and just really wake up. Today's a Monday morning and I'm opening a package. This is what I'm doing for work while being creative, having fun, and seriously, it all started here with my mindset. Okay, so I'm super excited to dive into this box because I was going through our nutrition app last night and I realized that a lot of the systems that we're going to be learning over the next couple of weeks, it's basically a structured version of what I've done over the past 3 years. And if I had all of these systems from day one, it would have made my journey a lot faster and a lot easier, but that's okay. We're starting this now. You guys know, if you have been watching my journey, that I am planning, after I complete this course, after I give it a couple 6 weeks or so, I'm going to get certified as a mindset mentor, so that way I can better help my current weight loss clients, my family, my friends, and you guys here on social media that come back and watch this crazy life of mine. A little bit of beauty, a little bit of fitness, weight loss, mindset, all of that. So we are going to dive into these mindset systems now. Super cool because I didn't realize this about the box. So when the box arrives, it's a bright green box that comes to your door and people think scam. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever followed a diet plan that you've seen here on YouTube and it's worked. Let me know. And you know, I truly believe when it comes to weight loss, when it comes to getting healthy, even bulking up or just clearing that mindset and getting a clearer vision of the direction, your purpose here. I know, we're living in a very interesting world, and the fact that we could come here to our social media platforms and connect with people across the world for the first time ever pretty cool. So I truly believe that find who and what works for you, and there are people out there that will play with you. So it's all trial and error. I had to go out and I had to find the tools that worked for me, and those tools happened to be what I currently use every single day of my life. And now I'm really excited to be able to dive into one more of our systems. And if you guys have been following my journey, you guys know that I stream my workouts, I stream my nutrition, and I work from home, I work through the internet. And you guys know that I'm not sitting here binge watching TV show after TV show after, I started subscribing to a healthy and wellness and mindset platform that literally helps me out with if I want to work out, if I want to, through our new nutrition app. Holy crap, I was checking out all the different recipes that from the recipe tab, like the videos, we even have our cooking show, like there's just so much. Yeah, I'd much rather invest in my health and wellness streaming platform. Anyway, so our nutrition app, our streaming platform app with our mindset, our workouts, just all that cool stuff. I remember when I first I got my first box, it was DVDs. So it's so crazy that we have upgraded. Now, in the box, you will receive blender bottle, which we love more blender bottles. You know what? I think I've got so many of these, I'll probably just do it in a giveaway. So comment below if you want to win this blender bottle. I don't know, maybe I'll do it on Instagram or something like that. So that's super cool. What I'm really excited about is this water bottle. Comes in the kit, and it has positive quotes, because that is part of the mindset. Things that make you happy as an adult. You get excited about water bottles with positive quotes, and this water bottle says, positive people, positive weight loss. More water, more weight loss, more? Sure. An open face is a happy face. One bite to taste. Be productive, not destructive. Think 2 pounds at a time. Water first, veggies most. That's because you want to increase the fiber. That's important when we're trying to lose weight. Out of sight, out of mind. 2 hands on the wheel. Bigger cup, smaller plate. Treat, not a cheat. I do not believe in cheat meals or cheat days, only treat meals and treat days. So I love that quote. And make today a weight loss day. Do I need this eating opportunity? You guys, the one thing was that it really took someone to come into my life to tell me that I really wasn't eating enough. So if you guys need help figuring out how much you should be eating throughout the day, then let me know in the comments below, and I will have someone help you, or I'll help you. You can reach out to me through Instagram, Facebook, and I'll help you calculate how much, look, we're throwing that in the recycle. I will help you calculate how much you should be eating, because that's really the thing that changed the game, which I could not be more excited for. Recipes, oh my goodness. And the cool thing about this program is that she uses packaged food from like the freezer and stuff, like vegetables from the freezer. I work so much, and you guys think, oh, he just posts a picture on Facebook or Instagram, or if you see someone out there that does this for a living, most of the time you're thinking, oh, they're a scam. But I work so much that I don't have time most of the time to meal prep all the time. That's because I do other things beyond weight loss here through the internet, or I do other things beyond just helping people build their businesses online and establish their brand through social media. I do way more. I work in the salon a couple days out of the month. I do events, photography, hairstyling. I choreograph things. I do a lot. I felt that with my certifications in behavioral consumer marketing, that this was probably the program that I should become certified as a mindset mentor, to really help the ones that aren't necessarily that. I'm not a gym rat, and I'm honest with you guys, I'm not someone who loves to work out. I do love to exercise, if that makes sense. Like, I love the endorphins, and really I'm off of all of my medications, so that's incredible, because that wouldn't have been possible. Those 7 pills a day is no longer in existence since I got a handle on my mindset, my nutrition, and I am very, very grateful for individuals like you that continue to watch my content, read my content, engage with my content, or have been following this journey or if you're a recent subscriber or follower of this crazy world here at You Decide Fitness, now focusing on You Decide Mindset, and I established these communities, and I couldn't be more grateful for you guys, because out of anything, at the end of the day, the people that have been my biggest cheerleaders, biggest supporters, and people that have believed in every little journey that I've partaken in within these past 27 years of my life, not just through the iPhone or through the internet, but you guys have been here for me, and it's really cool. It's kind of neat, the world that we live in, being able to connect with so many different people from across the whole entire world, and we have so many different stories, and I'm really excited. It's a great time to be alive. If you guys have been following this journey, you know that I was at an extremely dark place, even though I wore a smile on my face every single day, because even though you're depressed, or even though you are battling something deep down inside, that it doesn't matter, the show must go on. So I'm here, and I'm super grateful. So if you've been following that and you've been able to watch that mindset transformation, that's been the most incredible aspect out of everything with this journey. So recipes are included, which I'm super excited about. But one of the things that really excites me the most, aside from for those of us that really need that step 2, how to everything written out for us, everything you need to know is provided. So the go-to guide for those cheat sheets, and like I said, we're gonna be learning these systems and being trained by Ilana. She's lost over 100 pounds herself, and is a huge inspiration to me. So I'm excited to dive into this program. I can't wait. And hopefully, if you guys want me to kind of vlog the journey throughout my weekly process, I don't think I could do daily, but maybe weekly, let me know in the comments too if you want me to vlog. But what I'm most excited about, when I was diving through the nutrition app, there is a place, because keeping track, and a lot of people are afraid of the scale. A lot of people love the scale. For me, numbers do not lie. Same thing goes with pant sizes, dress sizes, shirt sizes, outfit sizes, costume sizes. The numbers don't lie. Measurements are super important, as well as just keeping track by utilizing the scale and tools like that we can access without having to buy anything crazy, right? But what I love, even though we're moving into this world of technology and everything's digital, and like I said, I stream my workouts, I stream my nutrition, my recipes, you guys stream Netflix, Spotify, we all stream everything. This is just the world that we're living in, but I still love tangible books. The cool thing that I'm most excited about is the tracker, where we can write all of the food, and like I said, it took somebody to come into my life to bring it to my awareness that I wasn't eating enough. Once it was brought to my attention that I needed to change how much I was eating and what I was eating, and I really needed to focus on this thing in here, along with following this thing down here, eating, tracking. When I signed up with this opportunity, I dove right in, because someone said, hey, do you want to learn how to, I don't know, it was a couple years ago when I saw an ad and it said, do you want to learn how to make money and lose weight or something like that? So I dove in with the opportunity when I was 75, 85 pounds heavier than I am today. I jumped right in because I was like, I can lose weight. I just quit my jobs, so I could lose weight, and I could be I just posted this on Instagram. Would you trust a dentist if he didn't have any teeth? It's kind of you are who you hang out with. So for me, I said, well, I need to lose about over 100 pounds, and I really need to change my life, so I might as well just surround myself with an opportunity where I can learn how to do everything. But the main thing that they required us to do throughout our training program, and I still do it to this day with my current fitness mentors, I make them track and document everything they eat. It is so important that we keep track of everything. And what I love about once these course materials arrive, and those of you that are already on this journey with us, if you haven't received your box, it should be out this week. We get to write them down along with our measurements every step of the way. It's my tracker. Honestly, if it wasn't through the tracker app, which we utilize, if it wasn't through writing it down, I know most of us are addicted to technology in our iPhone, or telling Alexa to remember something for us, but it is so important that we are still utilizing that piece of paper and that hand, you know. That sounds dirty, but anyways, it's still important to use the things that still work, right? Okay, and then in the box, depending on which kit, this is just the physical, tangible unboxing tools that arrive when someone registers with this program. What they also get is a whole video series, which, like I said, I was already diving through a couple of the videos this past weekend, and I am so beyond excited because it's just things that, whether it be, like I said, recipes, breaking it down with frozen foods, canned foods, packaged foods, whether it be eating out, parties, vacations. You guys, if you watch my content, you know that I travel a lot. How was I able to lose over 100 pounds and stay consistent over the past 3 years? I don't know. So it comes with the video series, and then, like I said, at the end of the first month is really kind of trial and error to figure out what works for you and what foods agree with you, and you don't have to give up anything, and that's what I love, is that we're not required to give up anything. And we got a whole bunch of other fun handouts, some transformations to check out, which the thing that I love about the transformations that we send out in the box is that they're real people. You know, they're not just someone, like, I was approached on Instagram maybe a year ago about, I'm not going to say the company, but it was basically, we will offer you $5,500, so $5,500 if we can utilize one of your photos and say that you used X. Insert what I'm not going to say. If we can say that your transformation was based off of our product, we'll offer you $5,500. And I was like, no, because I didn't use that. And I'm pretty much committed to everything that helped me change my life because it worked, and I've stayed consistent. And I see so many people out there start diets and give up, or they go follow some marketing scam, extra high fat bullshit, right? And they fall off. They yo-yo. And when I say that this responsibility, at the beginning of this video, when I said that this responsibility is really up to you, if you are wanting to change your lifestyle, whether it be weight loss, whether it be mindset, whatever it is up to the individual themselves. I had to become CEO of my life. I had to surround myself with the right people, and I had to have the right attitude, whether or not I had to fake it or not. If you're one of those people that is struggling, seriously struggling with your mindset, your weight loss, your nutrition, your health, you just need an accountability partner to help show you the ropes, and a great community of people that have literally, they helped me. So if you want to get in touch with us, if you need help calculating how much food you should be eating and all of that good stuff, then make sure to leave your contact information. There will be a link in the description of this video that says, help me figure out how much I need to eat. So make sure to leave your email, leave your contact information, and either myself or one of my awesome, incredible team members will be in touch with you as soon as possible. For the best fitness, weight loss, mindset, beauty, and everything in between, hit the like button, the bell, click the subscribe, and thank you for hanging out. Super excited about in this box that I didn't even tell you guys was in here is my secret weapon that is literally one of the things that saved my life. So you're gonna have to subscribe and hit the notifications bell, click the bell to figure out when I share what's in this box here, because that is truly my secret weapon.